Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel where we dive into helpful browser tips and tricks that make your mobile experience smoother and more customizable. Today we are focusing on Brave Nightly Browser and specifically how you can show. First, open the Brave Nightly Browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. In the Settings menu, keep scrolling until you find New Tab Page. Tap on New Tab Page to access options related to your browser's start screen. Once you are in New Tab Page settings, you will see an option labeled Show Brave Stats, which controls the visibility of the Privacy Stats panel on your new tab page. Now you can toggle Brave Stats on if you want to show the trackers and ads blocked, bandwidth saved, and time saved information. Or you can toggle Brave Stats off if you prefer a cleaner new tab with less information displayed. If you found this guide useful, please remember to subscribe to the channel and like and share this video. Thank you for watching.